So this is a little bit of a look at the assignment manager, or where your assignments will be located at. So this is my side, this is your side, but some things that you'll observe here is the class actually opens on August 12th, and the first assignments will be due, like 8:20. Notice how we have, some other ones, 1.1, 1.2, those will be due in a week. So notice how unit one, all the material will be opened on August 12th. But notice how there are going to be these different due dates. So pay attention to the due dates, because that'll be your pacing schedule. So this is the way you can kind of tell where you are with things. And there's different ways to interact with the MyLab statistics. So just keep that in mind. Notice that when I get into unit 2, notice how it actually opens on 8:24. So the whole class does not open at once. It opens up at pieces. So if I click on a preview of a lesson, so notice how I just go straight into your questions. Notice how there's a textbook, there's get more help. So, sometimes there's more buttons here where it'll actually show you how to work the example and things like that. So that will look different on each one. So as I move more into math, there may be more. Let me see here. We'll preview a different one here real quick. And a lot of you have already taken a math class, so you're already probably familiar with all these things here. If I go down to question 9, let's see if it makes it a little bit more. Notice how it says, help me solve this. So it'll work out that question. But remember, if you use help me solve this, it'll give you a different question. If I click on get more help, so notice how on get more help, it has actually view an example. So here you can view an example and it will not change questions on you. So keep that in mind. Before you click help me solve this, click on get more help, and you may be able to just see view an example to do this. So these are going to be the big two. And notice how there are videos here built in that they use. These are not my videos, though. My videos will all be out in Blackboard. So that's what you're going to be kind of looking at. Again, I really don't know any great way to navigate out. So a lot of times I'll end up losing things. So I will close this here and see where it takes me. So it'll take me back out to the assignment manager. I really have not learned the trick yet of navigating in between questions on assignments. So the big thing I want to point out too is the start dates are staggered for the units. Notice though, if I go all the way down, let's see here, I don't look right. Got to fix some things. Oh, yeah, that's right. Notice how the course does close on December 7th, which is, I believe, a Thursday at 5 p.m. So once December 7th hits, you will no longer have access to your assignments. Remember, all assignments can be done. If you do them late, you can still do them. There's just a late penalty, I believe, on some of it. And on exams, I think if you do an exam late, you have a 15% deduction from your score, but you can it's still way, way better than getting a 0. You also have second attempts on all exams, but that's where this personalized review will come into play. Notice how this says exam to second attempt personalized review. This does not count as a grade, but if you want to do a second attempt, then you want to do this to unlock the second attempt. Without this, you cannot do an exam twice. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Again, I will keep my email. It'll be sent out several times. You can also find my contact information in the syllabus. So best luck this new year.